Hey, it's Todd Alton. These are Wall Street words. Today's word is toe-hold purchase. The toe-hold purchase is when a company that wants to buy another company will buy less than 5% of the company. Let's say I'm a public company and someone buys my shares. They buy less than 5%, meaning they do not have to file the 13D to notify me as a company or the public, but they make an initial purchase to establish a position before they notify the company they want to get started. I would equate this to, like, say, if you're going to try a basket of strawberries, do you eat one strawberry to make sure they're good, or do you eat the whole bunch right away? Toe-hold purchases are generally made when a company wants to take a position before notifying the world that they're going to take a larger position and being required to file a 13D. Now, generally, these 13Ds are required to be filed within 10 days of going over 5% and within 2 days of going over 10%. Toe-hold purchase. Hey, do you want to learn more about Wall Street words, Wall Street terms, and things that can possibly help you make money? Click any of the cards on the screen. Always great things happening here. Please subscribe and pound that bell if you want to get alerted.